I am really feeling myself. Hold on. Y'all gotta see from the back. Hey y'all, so we are starting out with a wig already made and customized. If you want to see how I did that, that's gonna have to be a whole nother video. But we're just gonna start out with the BW2 Bleach, 40 developer, 30 developer, and like this brush set I got from the local beauty supply. Now, I'm also gonna use a rat tail, and this just helps me with parting. And I'm just gonna add the developer to about 2 to 3 cups of the bleach. Now y'all, that is not the exact estimate. I do just pour both the bleach and the developer until I get the consistency I want. So I just mix, pour until I get something like this. And I'm just gonna separate out the 2 front pieces of hair I want highlighted. This part is to your discretion how much you want highlighted. And I'm gonna just get that piece and put it under a foil, put foil under the piece. And y'all, I really go in that mug. I generously apply the bleach on this front part. I really want it saturated so it can get highlighted well. Do try to get every hair follicle, y'all. Like I go in between, around, behind, all up in there just so that the bleach really gets every part. So I do try to separate it layer by layer by exposing one long track line like you see here. Ooh, y'all, look at that stitching. Okay, I'm gonna just get a little piece of the hair and I want to brush it through. And this is the part I want you to pay attention because this is the key to the highlights. This is how you achieve the strand by strand highlighting. You use the rat tail, comb tail, or the end, I don't know what y'all call it, and just go through just like this. So this part isn't going to be different from what we were doing earlier. You're just going to put a foil piece under that separated amount that you just did. And we're going to generously apply the bleach. Now, I feel like the top layer is a very important part because this is the main part people are gonna see. So I'm very strategic with how big or small I make my sections on top. Now, I wanted it to be small just because I wanted my highlights to kind of be very streaky in a sense. If you don't want it to be streaky kind of, then you probably want to do more thicker sections. Okay, so I want y'all to really pay attention to this part because I feel like this makes or breaks, not makes or breaks. Okay, maybe I'm being dramatic. No, I'm actually not. You want to go in this upward direction I'm doing here. I streak it kind of up just to give it a natural blending effect. So as I go on, I just continue to like blend up just to not let it be too blotchy at the top. So this is how it looks after processing for about an hour or a little over an hour. Honestly, y'all, I just kind of watched it as the color lifted. I would just feel the foil to see if it's still warm. I feel like that is indicative if it's still processing. Now, I don't know if that's how it's done, but that's how I do it. Going in with the Shimmer Light shampoo, I just wash out the bleach just to help with that kind of copper rust color. I wanted it to be more ashy. And here is a clip of how it looks before I add all the dyes. I don't know who sent me to be brushing this thing like some angry African auntie, but I am brushing it out. I promise it's not as rough as it looks like. I go in with the Revlon Ultra Light Ash Blonde, and I got this shade because I knew I wasn't gonna lift the color to a super bright color. I did not want to bleach it twice. I purposely wanted to do one layer of bleach. As you saw in the previous clip, I did apply the Ultra Light Ash Blonde dye to the sectioned out parts in the front. Now I'm just gonna go to random sections of the hair and apply the dye there as well. Now, I'm doing this because your girl is going for a multi-dimensional kind of look. So I'm literally just grabbing random pieces of hair and giving it a little squeeze on the bottle, and we going ham. Going in with the medium ash blonde, we're gonna continue doing what we were doing. We're gonna grab random sections of hair that has not gotten any dye, and we're gonna put a generous amount so we can rub that bad boy in. Now y'all, I purposely went from lightest to darkest with these dyes. I started out with the ultra light, and then you're gonna see me use the dark ash blonde. And I did this so that it creates that multi-dimensional look. Listen, baby, you will see these colors. You will see the different streaks, honey. At this point, I'm just using the dark ash blonde to go in and get all the places that I might have missed. I want everywhere to be super saturated. I go ahead and use my hand to just rake all the dye through the hair. So I definitely forgot to record this part, but I went ahead and washed out this dye and I used the conditioner that came with the box, and it smells so good and makes the hair super soft. So this is the hair getting all rinsed out. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was quick, simple, very easy to do. One final thing that I want to add, I did let this soak overnight in Shimmer Light shampoo just to make it a little more ashy. If you look very closely, you can see all the beautiful streaks. I've always wanted to do the whole brown, black with highlight streaks in it. This came out so good. If you guys want more hair looks like this, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button so you can be VIP to getting my videos. For all my beautiful babes, I hope this hair did it for you. Let me know if you guys tried this out. Honestly, y'all, shout out to Sealy Hair for always doing your girl right. The quality of the hair is so good. Whenever I dye my hair, bleach or whatever, it's giving the girls presidency. It's giving the girls elite. Enough of the rambling and no long talk. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.